Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I got a call from this gentleman and he needs this area bush hogged. The majority of this area right here, he could get a traditional tractor. I wouldn't be scared to take a traditional tractor on some of this, but over here on this corner down here, you can forget it. There's no way in the world I'd put a tractor on that. For any of you that own a ventrac, that have a ventrac, if you're sitting in the machine on the right side, this spindle right here, that particular one is reverse thread. When you take the bolts off, did I put the blades back on here? Uh-oh. I'm glad I checked this because that blade right there was not tightened. I'm glad I checked that. This spindle on the right side is reverse threads with the bolt that goes in it. I took the blades off to get them sharpened. I broke the bolt off inside the spindle because I was trying to, it's reverse threads and I was trying to take it off the other way, but I was actually tightening it. We actually took the spindle off, put it in a vise, and pried on it, and boop, snapped the bolt right off. Of course, we were using a pry bar this long. That's the only reason we broke it off. I had no idea it was reverse thread, so it is. And luckily, I just crawled up under there and checked it because I didn't tighten that back. Let me go get some pliers right quick. I'll tighten that up, and then we'll get going. Can't breathe. It's kind of what happens when you're in these dusty environments. Well, if you're happy, I'm happy. Yeah, you'd have never done this with a tractor. I know one thing, if briars eat me up on this one. It's probably the roughest I've ever had it on. You just have to kind of be a little careful. You know, you can't really go sideways. It's not really going to turn over. It'll slide if anything. And then, so just going up and back and down and going back up, that's about the best way to do it. So I've had fun today. I've enjoyed it. We're trying to get more jobs like this. You know, so if any of your farm buddies got areas, pond dams or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, because like I said, a normal tractor, it has a time doing this kind of work. So, all right, man. Well, I appreciate the work. I'm gonna go down here and from that tree, this edge right here, I'm gonna get down in there as far as I can get before I go. All right, well there you go. Another job in the books. This one turned out really nice. I had a blast on that hill over there, and chances are I'll probably retain this guy and probably come back here after you and keep doing it. Hey, as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. Talk to you later.